Love to share, yeah, no.
What's the horsepower?
About 190.
Oh my God.
So I got a steering wheel or maybe like lifting or adding a little bit of gas, just small adjustments as I'm going through, so. Oh yeah, also, what side of the slalom do you want me to enter on?
You can go the near side.
Left side entrance?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, okay, gotcha.
I've seen 3 different ways of taking it so far. I'm curious how you take it. Well, that was a late turn. Well, that was excellent. Back of the cone.
Yeah, you set up that second cone and the rest falls into place.
It feels like you're on the ground.
Yep.
You know, that's what I really notice is